In this video, we're going to take a look at BitNinja, which is an incredible cybersecurity system for your website or your customers' websites. Without further ado, let's dive into today's video. So guys, jumping across to bitninja.com, which as always is linked in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after this video. You can see that this is the only one cybersecurity platform that you need. It covers all different types of cybersecurity attacks on your website or your customers' websites, and it allows your website to continue running smoothly without any interruptions, which if you're in digital business is essential to success. You can see down below there's shared hosting providers. So if you're constantly under attack by malware, their resource-friendly approach can detect any obfuscated malware upload attempt while providing low false positive rates. Managed service providers. Okay, so if you're constantly having to deal with customer complaints and you need to hire people to do this, then it can be kind of an expensive and time-consuming task. And at the same time, it also makes your customers' experience of your website not as positive as it should be. By having BitNinja on your website, it's automatically going to take away any of those problems, and it solves the issue of having to hire staff to deal with extra complaints. As well as that, you've got VPS providers. Would you accelerate your sales, scale up your money-making potential with the first multi-layered security system optimized for small virtual servers? So lots of different features available here. You can see that it works in a number of different ways. So they have a proactive protection with a reactive mindset, focusing on what happens if a threat occurs. Having a proactive cybersecurity strategy means being prepared before attacks even occur, which helps for BitNinja to defend against future attacks as well. As well as that, the defense network allows all of the network of BitNinjas around the world to work together in order to understand the most recent attacks and then develop their future systems against any further attacks happening on websites. The defense network gets stronger with every new server, and the synergetic effect gives higher value for each BitNinja user around the world. There's also another opportunity for you to upsell from your existing website, whatever it is that it promotes. As BitNinja has a product add-on called Site Protection, this is an upsell opportunity for your company to offer a website a hands-free security solution that includes malware removal, automatic backups, vulnerability patching and reporting. The best thing is that you'll also get a commission for those further sales. So if you've already got people arriving on your website, what better way to increase the ROI? BitNinja supports all of the main platforms that you're most likely to be using, which makes it easy to integrate into anything you're currently working with. So in terms of their actual defense network, you can see it's all around the world. They have 10 million or more cyber attacks that they are blocking daily. And remember, every time they're blocking one, they're then learning from that particular attack, and they'll then forward it on to the rest of the servers in the network. There's 35,000 or more servers that are currently being protected, and that's always growing, as well as 100 million IP addresses on the reputation list and 18,000 plus global blacklisted malware signatures. So BitNinja is a multi-award winning platform, having won awards for their customer service, having won awards for their firewalls, and tons of other things. Coming down below, you can see that there is a 7-day free trial available, guys, where you can click on the button. There's no credit card required. You just have to fill in an email address and your details, and then you are good to try it out. Now, installing BitNinja is extremely simple, guys. You can see that this is the code that you need to copy here, and then it takes you through all of the process by which you need to do this. And if you are struggling at all, if you're non-technical, that's fine. You just need to click on contact support, and there's going to be someone on hand to help you out right away. So you can see as well at the top, it will give you information on network attacks, firewalls, phishing sites, licenses, site protection, feedback, various other different features, and you can see it's already popping up with someone here asking me if I want any help with anything. Obviously that's an AI bot, but there is a real person who will be willing to speak with me if there's anything I can't understand. So if we look into the power of a BitNinja malware detection, BitNinja works slightly differently from some other similar sounding brands. However, backdoors are typically installed as malware, so the attacker can use the server's resources. It's essential to block and remove this infected malware. And what BitNinja's malware detection module does is it detects infected files and goes a step further, placing them into quarantine to prevent any further damage to your server. It then also takes that information and it sends it out across the network of BitNinja Service Security. And this is very powerful, guys, because it means that if one computer is attacked in, let's say, Australia, then it's going to hit the whole network
and then that information is then passed on to everyone. It means it has fantastic coverage worldwide. And if you look at how it's different from other solutions, you can see that it does things like structure analysis, obfuscated code detection. The latest threat to server security is this type of malware. It's traditional malware detection that can't find these infected files. However, BitNinja will read the code structure and even deobfuscate the code to find hidden malware. It's resource friendly, it does quick full scans rather than taking hours to do those full scans. It also has a defense robot. Detecting and removing malware from a server is often not enough. Unlike other solutions, the BitNinja defense robot will automatically find the source of the infection, the attacker IP will be blocked, and then abused domain URI will be automatically honeypotified. And then it has an auto honeypot system, crowdsourced malware database, as well as custom malware signatures. This is far more extensive than anything else you're going to find on the market. What's important as well is when it's doing that quick full scan, guys, it doesn't use a huge amount of energy. It can do this full scan with a very little amount of effort. When a new pattern is added to the malware detection module, the full scan can run incredibly fast without reading all the files again. This reduces resources and locates emerging threats quickly, and it also reduces the load on your operating system.
So in summary, BitNinja is a anti-malware protection for your website or your customer's website to ensure that your websites are kept up and running with amazing customer support 24/7. The network is forever growing and it's always learning, continuing to keep up to date with all of the latest cyber attacks and problems that are happening on the internet. So make sure you go and check it out. There's a free trial if you go through that link down below in the description. No credit card required, guys, and you can get full access for 7 days. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, make sure you smash that thumbs up button for me. Thank you very much. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about digital products online, then make sure you hit that subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.